My channel Style for Life and Andrea. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm very excited because I have a Chanel unboxing of a few items that I recently picked up and I can't wait to show them to you. I have been wanting to share them with you for the longest time, but I've been suffering with seasonal allergies, so today I'm feeling much better. So let me get started. So the first item that I ordered online is this. First of all, isn't the packaging beautiful? Chanel does such a wonderful job with their packaging. It comes in, of course, the Chanel box, and it's always packaged so lovely. So the first item is this item right here. It's the highlighter retractable brush. I had bought the retractable powder brush, which I'll show you in a minute, but I wanted the highlighter as well. It is so convenient to keep in your smaller handbags. It is so cute and small. As you can see, it says Chanel right there, and it has the Chanel symbol on top, and you just simply pop it open like that, and then this is what it looks like. This is for the highlighting. If you want to just touch up during the day, you can use that. And I first saw this one on Pink Butterfly Girl 411. I think it was her June favorites. And I also saw it online, but when she had it as her favorites, I said, yes, I have to get it because it's so convenient and so small. I love it. Back in, oh, by the way, I also love it because, as you can see, I mentioned it's retractable, so it won't have any color transfer onto your other makeup or anything else that may be inside of your handbag. So back in February, when it was my birthday, I had bought the retractable, I think this is a powder brush, and I love this one as well. And this one, I've used it a couple times. It's like this, and you just, uh, dab your powder on it from your compact, and it's just so darling, and it really does give a good coverage. So I love this one. So because I love this, I was thinking of getting the highlighter, and I was back and forth until I saw it on my friend Pink Butterfly Girl 411's channel, and I said, yes, I will definitely get it. It's so convenient, and I think this one was $38, if I'm not mistaken, around that area, and I know this one was definitely $50. So this is the powder brush and this is the highlighter brush. So that's the first thing I picked up. And then the second thing that I got, okay, came in this box right here, and I just love their packaging. I said that before, I know, but still. I got my husband a sample of the Blue Chanel. He loves this. I also bought him a large bottle of it, I think last year for his birthday. So I picked up this beautiful blush brush. That's the box, and then let's open it. Here we go. It comes in. I love the case here it comes in because it protects the bristles, and you simply slide it. Well, you can slide it up or down. I prefer down. And the blush brush looks like this. It is so soft, so I can't wait to use it. I didn't use it today because I wanted to show it to you new. And on the back, it does say blush, so you'll know that it is a blush brush. And it's very compact, as you can see, and the hairs are very, very soft. So that's what it looks like. And like I said, I love the fact that it comes in this case. So if you choose to travel with it, this little black case here will protect the bristles so it won't transfer. So I love that. And then the next thing that I purchased from Chanel came from my essay. And I couldn't decide whether I wanted the red. I was back and forth, and it came in this little bag, and came in my box, this beautiful box here with the receipt inside, the camellia flower on top, and in the black velvet pouch, which I took it out for you to save on time, and it is the beautiful coin case or credit card case, whatever you want to call it. It is so beautiful. I love it. This one is in the gold hardware. I still have the sticker on it, but what I love about this one, before they got sold out, is this one has the pocket on the back. And like I said, I couldn't decide whether I wanted the red or this, but my SA talked me into getting the black. She says, Andrea, you're going to be happier with the black because it's a classic color. And so I really am happy with this. It's so beautiful, and it will fit beautiful, or nicely I should say, it will fit nicely in my smaller handbags. And this is the authenticity card, and it is from the 27 series right there. And the information I have in here, there, and this one was $600. So yes, so I am so very happy because I know that this will get sold out very fast due to the fact that it has the back pocket. So very pleased to have this cutie in my collection. Very nice. So that, and then the last item that I have came all the way from Paris. I have a friend here on Instagram, and she went to Paris and she bought this particular item, and she bought it I think a couple years ago, and she no longer wanted it, so she said it was for sale, and I bought it, and I'm so happy. And she sent me the bag. It says Chanel 31 Rue Cambon, Paris, and it came in the box as well, Chanel 31 Rue Cambon. And then to reveal, I'm so excited about this, I've been wanting this for a while, this beautiful Chanel boy bag, lambskin with ruthenium hardware. It is so very lovely, and she wrapped the handles for me. There it is. There it is. I am so excited to have this item. It is so very buttery soft. It is so beautiful. That's what it looks like up front. Absolutely love it. It is so gorgeous. I am so thrilled to have this. My girlfriend also, a Butterfly Girl 4-in-1, also has this purse in her collection, and she spoke so highly of it, and that's what made me get buy the bag, actually, because it was back and forth because people kept on saying it's a little bit boxy, but she did a thorough review on it, and that really convinced me to purchase this bag. And it's so special to me because it's coming all the way from Paris. It was bought in Paris, and I simply love it. It is so soft. I love the lambskin. It feels so luxurious. It's so soft. I know I'm going to have to be very careful with it, so I'll only use it, you know, not really special occasions per se, but I have to choose the events that I want to carry it to. So I'm very happy. It is in excellent, beautiful condition, and I can't wait to carry it. I have a Chanel wallet that I recently bought from my SA. This one I may not carry because it's a bit small, but I will use this for my mini Chanel mini bag, but this one I just absolutely love it. It will fit my full-size wallet, my O case, and a few other items. So yeah, I'm just so happy. I love the fact that it is kind of like a retro, edgy type of bag because the chain straps are chunky, and yeah, it looks so very nice. I absolutely love it, and the straps are adjustable, and I like the fact that it's a little bit thick, so it will sit on your shoulder. So yeah, absolutely love it. So this is my Chanel boy bag in the ruthenium hardware that I received and I bought, and then I bought this one. Happy to have this one in my collection. I have to thank my SA for it, and my blush brush and my highlighter brush. I'm a happy girl. So that was my Chanel unboxing. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, please give me a 2 thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a good one. Bye-bye.